world's worst, which is for all 4 of our performers. So, gentlemen, come on down. Gentlemen, players. All right. Okay, Ryan and Colin, you're there. And then Wayne and Gary, you're here. And this is a quick-fire game in which each performer has to come up with as many examples as they possibly can of the world's worst commercial. Take it away.
Do you find yourself smelling too good or being too clean? Try this. Shit.
They'll make it.
It's organic, biodegradable, and it's nature's chocolate.
Why spend so much money on pills that may have serious side effects for your erectile dysfunction? With only 2 popsicle sticks and some duct tape.
Believe it or not, I used to be fat.
Want people to know more about you? Come on down to Target.
Are you?
Well, are you?
I am.
Having trouble coming up with that next great screenplay? Come to the Shia LaBeouf Writing School.
Come down to my school of self-chiropractic.